Hello guys and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn your regular videos into vertical videos for social media, which includes YouTube Shorts, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So as you can see over here on my timeline, I have a regular video. But if I want to convert this video to YouTube Shorts or Facebook, all I need to do is to come over to my bin over here and select my sequence. Now from this sign over here, you can tell that this is the video. From this sign over here, you can tell that this is a sequence. All you need to do is to right click on the sequence and scroll up and select auto reframe sequence. Set your target aspect ratio to vertical 19:16 for YouTube Shorts, or set it to vertical 4:15 for Facebook or Instagram, or you can set it to square for Facebook or Instagram. So the vertical 9:16 is used for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. And come over here and hit create. The first thing you'll notice is that the eye is out of frame over here. You'll also notice that Premiere Pro is automatically analyzing it to reframe the sequence. And in a few seconds, this is going to be done. And as you can see, the subject has been placed fully in frame. And that's it guys on how to auto reframe sequence in Premiere Pro. Thank you and see you guys in my next tutorial tomorrow.